ओके तो आम व्यापर प्रेशर कौन जान व्हाट इज व्यापर प्रेशर द प्रेशर exerted by the vapors when the liquid is equilibrium with the gas in a closed container. Okay, so now we will discuss about the vapor pressure of solution. Clear? The solution means hame jane solution is the mixture of two components, that is one is solute, another is the solvent. So here we take both solute and solvent are liquid. Solute को भी हमें liquid नमो and solvent को also liquid नमो, and both are volatile in nature. Both are volatile in nature. Means both are can be evaporated. Means both को जब हमें heat करीबा ताले both are evaporate. Means both solute भी evaporate होगा और solvent भी evaporate करियो. Okay, both are liquid. And it here कथा मन रखिबो the for solute in general for solute मन रखिबो B. B means माइंड रखिबा दरकार that is the B माने solute कथा हम कहूचे. जदि solvent कथा कहबा ताले in general मन रखिबो A. तो A means solvent, B means solute. Okay, and the solute and solvent to form the solution. Clear? Now suppose we take the container, we take a container having pure liquid A, having pure liquid A, closed container having pure liquid A. This pure liquid A. तो ये कौन से वो evaporation होगा liquid जेहेतु अच्छी तो ये कौन होला evaporate कला तो evaporation जो को vapors formation होगा vapors जो को vapor pressure आसीबो and that vapor pressure को हम कौन कहबा P naught A, that is the pure vapor pressure of liquid A. Clear? Similarly हमें आउट कंटेनर नहीं चाहिए ताको भी क्लोज बोले और सते रखी जाए लिक्विड B और सॉल्यूट B. दिस इज प्योर लिक्विड B. यार भी कौन हो वेपर्स फॉर्मेशन हो एंड दैट वेपर को कौन कहबा हमें P naught B, that is the vapor pressure of pure B. Clear? now एबे कौन गले बिजना को मिक्सचर में देले लिक्विड A ने ले लिक्विड B ने ले तार सॉल्यूशन कर तो सॉल्यूशन होला परे कोन होई जिवो इन दैट सॉल्यूशन A रो कंपोनेंट भी रहइबो B रो कंपोनेंट भी रहइबो A भी रसिला B भी रसिला A भी आसीबो B भी आसीबो मींस इन सरफेस मॉलिक्यूल A भी रहला B भी रहला तो बोथ आर इवापोरेट A भी इवापोरेट करिवो B भी इवापोरेट करिवो A भी इवापोरेट करिवो B भी इवापोरेट करिवो तो एठी जे इवापोरेशन रे जो वेपर्स आसीबो ताकू हमें P naught A कि P naught B तो कहि परिबा नै obviously it is pure form रे थिला एठी मिक्सचर आसीगला तो प्योर वेपर प्रेशर तो आसीबो नै तो एठी जो प्रेशर आसीबो ड्यू टू द A ताकू कहबा हमें PA एंड जो वेपर प्रेशर आसीबो ड्यू टू द B ताकू हमें कहबा PB बट P naught A P naught B कहि परिबा नै काहे कि ना एठी हम प्योर फॉर्म में नै एठी कहला मिक्सचर सॉल्यूशन आसीबो तो मिक्सचर फॉर्म रो तार जति के वेपर्स फॉर्मेशन होबा कथा जति के हबो नै कि सप्रेस हे जिवो तो ताको हम कहबा PA एंड PB, that is the partial vapor pressure of A and partial vapor pressure of B. हमें जैसे स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ते in Dalton's law. Okay, so this is pure vapor pressure of A and this is the pure vapor pressure of B. Clear? And this vapor pressure PA, that is the vapor pressure of A, is directly proportional to the mole fraction of A. Okay. Similarly, vapor pressure of B, that is PB, is directly proportional to the mole fraction of B. Means, हमें जदि calculate करिया पे चाहिए vapor pressure of A, से कहाँ ऊपर depend करियो? That is the mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A means कौन बोलचे? That is the number of moles of A that present in the solution. That is हमें already बोलचे mole fraction of A, XA is number of moles of A divided by Na plus Mb. Similarly, mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of V divided by Na plus Mb. So here Pa is directly proportional to mole fraction of A and Pb is directly proportional to mole fraction of B, and this is known as Raoult's law, and this is known as Raoult's law. Okay, so now भलो भाव डिस्कस करवा, that is Raoult's law. So what is Raoult's law? Raoult's law, that is PA is directly proportional to XA and PB is directly proportional to XA. So Raoult's law states that in a solution, the vapor pressure of each component is directly proportional to the mole fraction of that component. I am repeating this statement. The Raoult's law states that in a volatile solution, the vapor pressure of each component is directly proportional to the mole fraction of that component. Clear? So PA is directly proportional to XA, PB is directly proportional to XB. Suppose if you move third substance C, A, B, C. So here I am written the PC, vapor pressure of C is directly proportional to XC, that is the mole fraction of C. Clear? So now, if proportionality uthaiba, then what kariba? Proportionality constant daba. So here PA is equal to proportionality constant, and here the proportionality constant is P naught A into zeta A, that is mole fraction of A. Similarly, PB is equal to P naught B into zeta B. PA is equal to P naught A zeta A. P naught A is the vapor pressure of pure liquid A, and PB is the vapor pressure of pure liquid B. Okay. So from this we get partial vapor pressure of A and partial vapor pressure of B. तो हमें solution नहीं दिले, जो कि हमारे कौन थिला? A भी थिला, B भी थिला, A भी थिला, B भी थिला. आज जो कि हमें vapors पाव थिला, vapor pressure आस्थिला. तो vapor pressure A पाई A molecule पाई जो vapor pressure आस्थिला ताको PA को दिले, and B molecule पाई जो vapor pressure आस्थिला ताको PB को दिले. तो total vapor pressure टा हमारे कौन से हो? P total, that is PA, partial vapor pressure of A and partial vapor pressure of B. From the Dalton's law, we know from gaseous state. From Dalton's law, the partial vapor pressure, the sum of the partial vapor pressure is equal to the total vapor pressure. So PT is equal to PA plus PB. Now from this we put PA, we get from Raoult's law, that is P naught A zeta A plus PB is the P naught B zeta B. So here we get the Raoult's law, that is the total pressure is equal to PA plus PB or P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. This is the Raoult's law. Okay. Now we come kariba the diagram for the Raoult's law. Diagram kariba kara. Diagram for Raoult's law. Okay, so here we go x axis नबा में mole fraction, in y axis हमें नबा vapor pressure. Okay, suppose A एंड्रा में start होची, A एंड्रा में रखवा pure liquid A. यदि pure liquid A होची, तो mole fraction of A is equal to always कौन है? 1 है, and mole fraction of B means B रो किसी value पर नहीं, B रो molecularity किसी नहीं, तो x B कौन है? 0. Clear? Means हमें इस साइड रख लिया only pure liquid A. That mole fraction of pure liquid A is equal to 1. Already हमें जानते हैं in a solution 2 mole fraction जो हमें sum करते 1 आस्थिला. तो ऐठी B रो किसी molecule ही नहीं, तो obviously mole fraction of A के दस 1 ही है सिर्फ. And this एंट्री हमें कौन नबा? Pure liquid B. तो यदि pure liquid B नहीं चाहिए, तो obviously mole fraction of B कौन है सिर्फ 1 है सिर्फ. And this एंट्री liquid A रो molecule किसी भी नहीं, तो mole fraction of FA is equal to 0. Clear? तो हमें ये पढ़ने ले pure liquid A, this side ले pure liquid B, then liquid A तो बड़े B side को चली वो, तो solution बड़ी बड़ी चली वो, means A रो fraction कमी चली वो, B रो fraction बड़ी चली वो. यदि A end रो आसिया चाहिए, B रो A आड़ को आसिया चाहिए, ताले B रो mole fraction कमी चली वो, A रो mole fraction बड़ी चली. Clear? Now we कौन करेगा? Y axis से ना vapor pressure. Now suppose liquid A is more volatile than liquid B. तो तार vapor pressure कौन आसिबो? अधिक आसिबो, जे अधिक volatile, तार vapor pressure अधिक आसिबो. तो हमें A रो vapor pressure A को more volatile नहीं बारा, नाले B को more volatile नहीं बारा. मैं इटी suppose liquid A को more volatile नवा पे चाहूँगी. तो यदि liquid A यदि more volatile than B, then तार vapor pressure भी obviously is greater than the liquid B. तो vapor pressure मुने लेठी suppose it नहीं जीवा that is P not A कारण A side रे pure liquid अछि तो तार जो vapor pressure आसीबो that is pure vapor pressure आसीबो then A side रे कोन आसीबो B रो vapor pressure आसीबो जे को जहा को मो भाबी नहीं जे less volatile तो obviously तार value टिके तळको आसीबो that is P not B suppose नहीं जे যদি তুমি B is more volatile than A नबो ताले B रो वैल्यू को ऊपर रखो A रो वैल्यू को तळे रखो नो प्रॉब्लम क्लियर नाउ दिस यदि एट होता मो सपोज this part this is the vapor pressure of A तब को जामे PA this part is the vapor pressure of A that is P naught A into zeta and this part is the vapor pressure of B liquid B so PB is equal to P naught B into zeta B and this is the total vapor pressure PT is equal to PA plus zeta A or P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. This is the total vapor pressure and this is the diagram for Raoult's law.